What the hell is this language he speaks? Sounds English, but it's kind of weird. Not like Indian English weird. Like he doesn't know how to speak proper English weird. Well, fuck you too. Alright guys, how's it going? I hope you're doing very well. Now, this is a little bit of an update, and I would like to apologise for the lack of videos in the last couple of weeks. And I would also like to talk about Blender add-ons, or specifically the price of Blender add-ons. And this kind of stems from a post that I seen earlier on today. Now I need to apologise for the background noise. I have green and yellow who are chirping away because it's in the morning and they're budgies. But first and foremost, regarding the channel, some of you may or may not know, I got COVID about a month ago, maybe just over a month ago. To be honest, it could have been a lot worse. My knees were sore, that was one thing that I remember. I lost my taste and I lost my smell. It was just like a really bad flu, to be honest, and it could have been a lot worse in consideration. The whole family got it, the kids were fine, the wife was a bit ill, but anyway. It's kind of had this kind of rolling side effect, and I don't know if it's COVID or just me being a lazy bastard, but sitting down to talk, like even the now, I need to kind of pause and I cough, I just randomly cough, so it gets kind of sore in the throat. And it's lack of motivation. So, for example, the other day I went to walk with the kids, and see afterwards, I was absolutely floored. And this was a pain in the arse. And it's not, I'm tired, it's I need to lie down and sleep. It's one of these absolutely fatigue things. It's kind of strange to explain, to be honest. So just generally finding any sort of motivation and get up and go, it's completely out of the picture at the moment. So I'm kind of hoping things will go back to normal and I'll start rolling out more videos. I've got a whole bunch of emails that I need to go through, so if you've emailed in the last week or two, I do apologise. I have seen them, I'll get back to you. But anyway, regarding the price of Blender add-ons, and this came from I don't really want to say, to be honest, but I seen it get posted, and somebody was complaining that the add-on was too expensive. Now, the add-on was like $14. Now, I can understand that for some people that probably is quite expensive, right? But you can't pander or cater to absolutely everybody. And at the end of the day, if you're an add-on maker, if you release tools, you've got to make a living as well. You've got to eat. And personally, I feel, and this is how I feel the market's slightly moving, is the price of Blender add-ons are actually going up. And that's a good thing. Market price is being pushed up ever so slightly. And people who are used to buying add-ons for $5, $10, they're starting to feel the pinch a little bit. Now, that's not really anybody's fault, that's just the way the markets became. Obviously, Blender's much more popular now, so there's a little bit more demand as well. And I seen an add-on developer, he sold something like 700 add-ons in the space of 24 hours. And that's a year wage for some people. And that's a great opportunity, not just for the developer, for everybody. Because you could technically make your own add-on. I mean, you could buy something like Serpents and you could use nodes and then sell that add-on. So there's no limitation in that regard. If you really want to go the Python route, it's all about sit down, learn Python, learn how to code. There's no demographic borders or barriers for people learning. It's really up to you. So it's an open market at the end of the day. So yeah, Blender add-on prices are going up. I think that's actually a good thing. Now, some Blender add-ons do get overpriced. There's a few that I've reviewed and I've thought, I think you've just overpriced it ever so slightly. But if you don't ask, you don't get. And that's pretty much my opinion on Blender add-ons. I'm going to cut this video short because I need to cough and my birds are doing my nothing. Do me a favour guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, follow me on Twitter.